Hi friends, welcome to Quick Curries with Shipra Khanna, and today I've picked Diet Lemon Ginger Chicken. Diet Ginger Chicken के लिए ये हैं ingredients. तो सबसे पहले हम बोल में चिकन डालेंगे, उसमें नींबू डालेंगे, बारीक कटा हुआ अदरक, टर्मरिक पाउडर, नमक. That's it. Now pepper, थोड़े peppercorns and ground pepper. Quick mix, marinate for half an hour and then put it in a pan. Add a little bit of water and cook for 15 to 20 minutes or more. Add a cup of yogurt, beaten yogurt. इसको हिलाते रहना है ताकि जो दही है वो कर्डल ना हो. अच्छे से बॉईल होने दीजिए, थोड़ा रेस्ट कीजिए. tada, your diet ginger chicken is ready. If you enjoyed this recipe, do like, share and subscribe to my channel and follow me on my social media handles under MasterChef Shipra Khanna Blue Tick on Facebook and Instagram and Shipra's Kitchen on YouTube.